Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, hi, I am new in Google AdWords. Can I offer ebook, checklist, webinar as lead magnet for capturing the leads in my landing page for Google Ads AdWords traffic, or is it restricted? Okay, that is a very good way. I personally like this way of acquiring leads, and you can later on convert those leads with highly engaging emails or whatever your funnel strategy is. But there is no restriction from Google regarding capturing those leads. In this way, you can create a free ebook, you can create a checklist, you can create a webinar, or as a lead magnet to capture leads. That is perfectly fine, and that is, even I recommend you to do this strategy, because I have seen that the conversion goes very well in case only if you build a personal relation with your audience, and that way you can sell multiple products to the same audience. Rather than selling a single product to the same audience, we can sell multiple products to the same audience. So I hope you like this. In case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads services or SEO services, all you have to do is to reach to me through the link in the description. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding my new videos. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.